This is the most powerful Mercedes GLE you can buy in North America. It's the Mercedes AMG GLE 63S. Is it the perfect SUV for you? In this video, we'll check out all the features to help you decide. To learn more about specific options and pricing, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, Research, and select Mercedes-Benz. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The mid-size luxury crossover market is highly competitive. So when we say that the Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S is one of the most amazing machines you can buy, we don't say it lightly. But when you consider the competition, there are a select few that can come even close to what this AMG is capable of. There's the $200,000 Lamborghini Urus, the Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and the upcoming Audi SQ8. That's about it. Pricing on the AMG GLE 63S starts at $113,950. Add some options like you see here, and you're looking at a price of $131,935, including destination and delivery. Under the hood is a hand-built AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo. It's good for 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. It also has an electric motor as part of the EQ Boost hybrid system. All of this is connected to the AMG 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system through a 9-speed automatic transmission. EPA rates economy on this setup at 15 miles to the gallon city and 19 on the highway. In the back, you'll find up to 39.3 cubic feet of cargo area with the second row up. Fold down the passenger seats and you get a maximum cargo capacity of 74.9 cubic feet. Passengers can enjoy a large panorama sunroof, lots of legroom, and they also get dual USB-C charging sockets and power sunscreens. The front cabin is exactly what you would expect from Mercedes-AMG. High-quality metals and leather envelop the driver in comfort. The seats have heating, cooling, and available massage. Run a program to bring sight, sound, and even fragrance into the cabin for utmost comfort. You can even keep your beverages hot or cold. Compatible devices can be charged wirelessly or plug into the USB-C socket for access to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on the glorious 12.3-inch display. Every bit of this car is a work of art. Even the steering wheel has tiny OLED displays to control the various drive modes and handling settings. The gauge cluster uses a similar 12.3-inch screen, which flows seamlessly into the main infotainment display, giving a commanding view of all available information. To help control the thousands of setup options, Mercedes includes car themes, which tie together all settings under a single click. These can affect the gauge cluster, heads-up display, ride height, and main screen features like the track data pack that our car came optioned with. Of course, you can override any specific setting with a flick of a switch, making the GLE 63S almost endlessly configurable to the driver's taste. The safety story is just as comprehensive, with steering-sensitive LED headlights, surround view camera system with configurable views, and parking sonars, collision mitigation, lane detection, blind spot monitors, and a lot more. Navigation is included. It is one of the best systems around, responding to both touch and voice inputs, with cloud-based data mapping. Even though the GLE 63S is loaded with tech and comfort, where it really comes to life is on the road. Power is plentiful. Mercedes claims a 0-60 of only 3.7 seconds, and based on how it feels from behind the wheel, we cannot dispute that. This thing is incredibly fast. But at the same time, it's also one of the most comfortable SUVs we've ever driven. If there was ever a vehicle that could be all things to all people without compromise, this is it. So what about going off-road? When equipped with the right tires, that's not a problem either. The GLE 63S has a full suite of off-road tools, including a 2-inch airlift and one of the most advanced all-wheel drive systems that will make a molehill out of any mountain. So if you're looking for the ultimate vehicle, the Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S might just be the one you've been waiting for. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see all options from Mercedes-Benz and AutoNation. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation-affiliated Mercedes-AMG dealer.